Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Delusional's Arcade. So we're actually here, we're spending some Thanksgiving time with the family, playing some Outrun, playing some Joust. We had an awesome Joust match earlier today, me and my niece. So we're having just a great time here. They're playing Smash TV on the Total Carnage machine. Just having pretty much a blast. So we're kind of skipping this week, just with the holidays. I'm just taking some rest and relaxation with the family. But we'll be back, next week. I'm going to show you right here. We're going to start working on this right here. This is the millipede. We're going to attack this one next. And this is the one that I got in a previous episode. If you guys missed that, you can see the pickup video right here on the link above. But I have all the parts for it. I have the trackball. I have all the voltage regulators, the bearings. We're going to rebuild everything. I'm not going to do the cosmetics yet to this, but I am going to rebuild the trackball, which is very gritty right now. But we will return next week, so hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. For now, I'm just going to spend it with my family, playing some games, and just, all our hard work is paying off here in the arcade. Take care, guys. We'll catch you next time.